Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. When you click here on settings here, it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notification settings. Then you come to next step. Then all you have to do, just go above email updates, click on it here. When you click on email updates, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here and you come here to contracts. So then you go down here, then you come here to time login pics, then you click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.